everyone. So today we're going to see the chat application required dependency and how to install that, and then we're going to also add our project to Firebase, and we're going to also install a couple of things that required in our chat application, and we're going to also use React Navigation 5. So in case of authentication, we're going to have to use Redux or use context API. So we're going to use Redux, just not Redux, we're going to use Redux Toolkit, and we're going to also use install a couple of things. And so if you are new to the channel, so don't forget to subscribe in order to get more video in future. So please press the bell icon, and if you like my work, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. You can also follow me on social media platform, link in the description. And if you like this content, you can also like and comment below your thought, and don't forget to share your thoughts on comment section. So stay with me till the end. We're going to install a couple of things, and we're going to also add the project to Firebase. So if you like this video, please make sure to comment your thoughts and like the video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new to the channel, and so make sure to subscribe to get more videos in future. And if you like my work, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. You can also follow me on social media platform, link in the description. You can also follow a developer scenes Facebook page, also link in the description. And so let's start installing packages. So first we need to create a project. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to focus on all the little things are required in our project. So first we're going to create a project. So in order to create a project, we have to write npx react native init and then project name. So our project name will be chat app. We're gonna hit enter. So we're gonna install a couple of things like React Navigation 5, native base, React Native vector icons, image picker. So in order to send the image, we also need the image picker. So in order to send the image or update your profile picture, we're gonna need the image picker. We're gonna also use Firebase Realtime database, and also use Firebase storage in order to store the images. So and we can also use a moment for time, and we can also use React Native UUID for a unique ID for each and every user. And we can also use Redux Toolkit. As I said before, in React Navigation 5 we need this Redux or maybe context API. Just so we're going to use Redux Toolkit, and it's much easier than normal Redux. So we're going to use Redux Toolkit, and that's pretty much it, I think. And if we miss any packages, we're going to install that in future. But right now just we're going to installing these packages, and we're going to also add our project to Firebase. So stay tuned and watch till the end, so don't miss anything. So first we just creating the project, and it's creating our project. So our project is created. So now we're gonna navigate to our project, and you can also open that in VS Code, and now we're gonna start installing the packages. So we're gonna start with first we're gonna search for React Navigation. React. I'm going to start with React Navigation. So this is the website for React Navigation. We're going to look for the doc, and we're gonna use React Navigation 5. So first we have to install this one, and then we need to install these packages, React Native Reanimated and gesture and screen and gesture handler and everything. So we're gonna start installing this, and we also have, we're gonna show you the version, and React version is 17.0.1 and React Native is 0.64.2. so it's installing the required dependency, and if we see, we will need to install this thing, and after that we also need we're not gonna have any bottom tab or any drawer kind of thing. We just only need the stack. So for that we also need to install the stack navigator. So first this one completes, then after that we're gonna install those also. So now you're going to install these packages. You can click on copy and paste here. You're going to install this, and while this thing is installing, we can also add our project to Firebase. So we're going to search looking for Firebase console. You can go to console, you're gonna create a project. You're gonna simply click on add project. You're gonna have to enter a project name. So our project name is chat app. It doesn't mean that you have to enter your application name that you have created the project. You can simply enter anything, and just for entering chat app, we're gonna enable Google Analytics. We're gonna click on continue. We have to select analytics account. So we're gonna use default for Firebase, and it's creating a project. It's already installed those packages. So next thing we're going to install is React Navigation stack. So I can simply install React Navigation stack, and it's creating our project. So if we click on continue now, we're gonna see our project. So chat app project is created. So now you have to the project is created. Now you just have to add our app to Firebase account. So we are gonna use Android environment. So it's asking for Android package name. So in our application, if you want to see the package name, there are several different ways to find out the package name. So if we go to Android, then inside app folder, you can see then SRC, then main, in Java. You can find out over here the chat application. You can also find out in Android manifest com.chat app. So I'm gonna use this one, and it's asking for a app nickname. I'm gonna simply enter chat app. You don't need to enter the SH1, it's optional. If you want to add that, you can add that, but it's not required. So we'll click on register, and it's also installed, and also need to install native base and vector icons. So we're gonna install those also. So while those are installing in the background, we're gonna start focusing on our we're gonna focusing on our Firebase setup. So if we click on this, we can also use native base, and we're gonna also use moment. So we can simply use install devs together at the same time. And so when we are adding our, and we're also using Firebase, sorry, not Firebase, we can also using React Native vector icon. So you need to add this line in your build.gradle inside your app directory, and you have to paste that after this line. And we're gonna also focusing on after click on register, you're gonna go to next thing. So need to download Google service.json. You can download this now. You can also find out this thing in your project settings. So you're gonna download it now. You can also download it after everything is done. You can also look for that. So you need to click on next, and we have to go to our chat app, and inside chat app you have to go to Android, then app, and then we need to paste this over here. So I might have already a supposed to be Google service.json. So then after that we need to add this class path in our dependencies inside build.gradle. So we're gonna copy that, and it's asking for adding Google and everything. Google is already there. I just need to add the class path of Google. As you can see, it's already here in Google. And after that you can add this analytics and Firebase Boom and Firebase. So we are going to add these things. First we're going to need to add this Google service inside build.gradle. So I'm just going to show you again the build.gradle I'm using. Inside app folder, Android folder, we're gonna have an app folder. Inside that app folder we're gonna have a build.gradle. So we can simply paste that over here. After that we need to use, I can use this dependency. I need to paste over here, and also Firebase analytics. So these two are done also. You can simply click on next and continue to console. The package is installed, and we can also, we're going to use another package called React Native prop image breaker. So I'm gonna search for that. Not able to find the installation command, so we're going to use React Native prop image picker, and I also use React Native UUID. So we're gonna install that also at the same time. So our project is created, and we also I guess we also done adding our project to Firebase. It's added to our project to Firebase. This is how we need to add our project to Firebase. And after enabling the database and everything and Firebase storage, then I was talking about the Google service.json. So you can simply, if I go to Firebase, and this is our app, and we can click on this app and the settings also, I can also click on this settings icon and project setting, and it will redirect to over here. Then you can simply scroll down a bit, and if you have a multiple app, you can show it over here. So this is your this is our app package name com.chat id, sorry, chat app. So you need to like download this Google server.json again and update that with your latest one. So it's installed successfully, and now next we're going to use install Redux Toolkit. So after that, I think we don't need to install anything else for now. So we're going to install Redux Toolkit. So we added our project and to Firebase, and we're using couple of things like React Native image picker. So in image picker we need to add some permission in our Android manifest, like the write and read storage permission, because if you are going to choose images from our sorry, you need to change image from our gallery, and you also need to use this permission also camera. So we're going to add it later when we are going to use this actually. So for right now we're gonna leave it like this, and I'm just gonna show you the package.json right now. So we installed Async. So we forget to install one more thing, and that's called React Native Async storage, because we are going to use this Async storage for local database for storing the user authentication, and storing the user authentication. I can also simply and we can also simply use Redux to get the user data. So we're gonna use async storage /async storage. We're gonna install this package also, and I guess this is the last one we need to install, and then we are good to go with the next step, that is building the UI. So now if you look through our package.json, we have installed async storage and navigation stack, toolkit, moment, native base, and image picker, and also UUID and vector icons. And I don't think we are forgetting something. We install everything that we need. Yeah, we're forgetting something, that is called, we forget to add the main thing, that is called Firebase. We forget to add Firebase, and we added everything, and we forget to add the main thing, that is called Firebase. So first we're going to install React Native Firebase app, and after that we can install the real-time database and the storage. So for real-time database, if you scroll down, you can see real-time database, and for storage I also have a separate video in about Firebase storage. You can also watch that, how to upload your image to storage, or and how to upload your image to storage and fetch that and everything. So we're gonna install database, and we're gonna also install storage, cloud storage. So we're gonna install that, those two together. I think we are finishing, and we don't need to install any more packages for now. And if we forgetting something, we can simply add that in future. So now if we look through our package.json, and we are installing 3 more packages like Firebase app and Firebase storage and Firebase real-time database. And if we look through our package.json dependency section, now added app, database and storage. So we have added a couple of things. We installed everything that we need for this video, and we're gonna start building the UI from the next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you like my work, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. And you can follow me on social media platform, and you can also follow the developers in Facebook page, and you can simply follow the page. And you can, if you have any questions, or you can share your thoughts on that particular page also. So all the links in the description. And don't forget to share your thoughts on comment section. It's really helped the YouTube algorithm to be in the top in the search result in YouTube. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for future video notification. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.